Guys, pumunta sila sa gitna para ma-probe kung gaano nga kalalim ang crater. Kasi sabi nila malalim daw ang crater. Ngayon pinatry ko sa dalawang taga Netherlands. So sa mga nagsasabi diyan na malalim ang crater sa hibok-hibok, yan, tingnan natin. Ayan, yan yung Cocos na guide dito sa hibok-hibok. Silang original from Spanish. So
The most highest point is there?
at the back.
Over there. It's very shallow. Yeah. Maybe in rainy season?
Because in the rainy season is more. Until there.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's possible enter like that level in rainy season.